8 divided by 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. Now, according to order of operation, since we are solving from left to right, so we have more than one division. We have 1, 2, 3 division here. So we are going to just solve this rule from left to right. So if we do this first, 8 divided by 2 is going to give us 4, right? 4 divided by 8 divided by 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 8, we can rewrite this as 4 over 8 divided by 2. Now, in this place, we are going to apply KCF rule. KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. So if we apply that rules here, we are going to keep 4 over 8. 4 over 8. So here will now be multiplication, then 1 over 2. Alright? So we have 4 over 8 times 1 over 2. Now 4 times 1, this is going to give us 4. 8 times 2, this is going to give us 16. And this is our final answer. Okay, we can still break this down. 4 divided 4 will give us 1. 4 into 16 is going to give us 4. So our final answer is equals to 1 over 4. Right? That is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.